take 2 because the other one didn't record. So we're in Sam's car, and she was doing something illegal.
She was drinking and driving.
Drinking and driving. I know. So we all went to go get boba, and we're on our way to Spencer's birthday party, and he's turning 18. And me and Elise got pizza bread, pizza dog,
Hot dogs,
and cheese and tomato sauce. Sam's still drinking and driving. She's trying to suck her bro. And Sarah's still eating a pork bun.
Yeah, seriously. Yes, you can see my pork bun right now.
Where's your pork?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
And we all got boba. Now, I don't know, it was more exciting the first take, but I guess it was because it was a spur of the moment thing.
Now it's not.
Yeah, now it's not.
Only resistant one. Yeah. We wanted to make sure it was good.
Exactly. I'll just retake this again later. But when we're at Spencer's house. Bye bye.